of the public who are living within the areas of the vast banks of the rivers to move to safer grounds. I also want to assure the members of the public that we are making arrangements to give them food and other non-food items that they require. That should happen before the end of this week, so that at least we are able to alleviate the problems that may be having out of the displacement from their homes. So far across the region, we have 1,000 households that have been displaced, and also we have 6,302 people who have been affected. By that I mean they may not have been displaced from their homes, but they are there, struggling with the water. 80 affected households, 6 displaced. Then we have Homa Bay with 1731, that is 1,731 affected families, and 907 displaced. And in Migori, we have 12,800 affected families, 53 households displaced.
Na tugithie na mbere turoge nginya kuria mwena wa Kakamega na kuria mihango ya